AMD is on an absolute tear. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Doctorate, and we have big data coming out, I want to say, on the 30th. Now, a lot of people are asking about SoFi. We already played SoFi to the downside, upwards of 200%, and towards the upside after we bounced on demand, upwards of about 60 to 100% on that run up as well. So right now, SoFi is trading in a neutral position. Will it fall? It could. Will it go up? It could. The very next day, we have data coming out that could float the market in either direction. But that's not why I'm here, right? I'm here because AMD is on an absolute tear. And if you were in like me, we got in around $89, and we now look at us now. We're at $173, okay? We have options for calls or puts on AMD. Options trade plays is for the minnows, the dolphins, the orcas, the anglers, now the megalodons. But ultimately, these are dolphin-sized plays. Why? Because they're over $50 a contract for both the calls and puts. That doesn't mean a megalodon can't play a dolphin play, right? So AMD, we fell into demand, ricocheted through it, so like a slingshot through demand, just blew through supply, found support above my ceiling at 167.04. Now we're at my next level, rejected there. So we're trading sideways. We're in a neutral position after a nice strong bullish candle, and now we're trying to figure out what's next. Above 175.60, then I have my next max take profit target of 184.37. So with that being said, call options. This AMD 180 call that expires at the end of the week. Now, we do have data coming out Wednesday, right? So we don't have a lot of time, and time decay will eat into these contracts. So get what you can afford. Don't be greedy. Let's get rid of that, and let's look towards the downside on AMD. So if we fail to break 175.60, we're looking for price action reversal. That means that we could very likely fall all the way back down to 167.04 to retest this previous level of resistance. Supply sometimes later then becomes demand. If we fall below 167.04, then our take profit targets are 165.35. Then we have our next one at 163.30. Then we have our next one after that around 160, which is that psychological level of support. Then all the way down for a max take profit target back to demand of 156.38. Now, what contracts are we looking at for the downside? Well, that's this 165 put I'm showing you this week, but it might be better to get something a little further out as we close in on the 165 point, okay? That's what I got for you. This is Stocks for Real, Sacrifice for Riches, and it's all about love and support and making sure that we all keep the main thing, okay?